Why was it reclassified? And if it's not a planet anymore, then what on earth can it be? Right from its discovery, Pluto seemed different from the other planets.
Imagine a planet so far away that sunlight takes over 5 hours to reach it. A world covered in frozen landscapes, mysterious underground oceans, and an atmosphere that defies expectations. Once the 9th planet of our solar system, Pluto was unceremoniously stripped of its planetary status in 2006, leaving it as nothing more than a dwarf planet. But what if Pluto is more than just a cosmic underdog? What if it holds secrets we're only beginning to uncover? Pluto was discovered in 1930 and proudly held its planetary title for 76 years. But in 2006, the International Astronomical Union redefined what it means to be a planet.
Its eccentric orbit and small mass set it apart from the other planets.
The new definition required a celestial body to clear its orbit of other debris, and Pluto, locked in a gravitational dance with Neptune and surrounded by the Kuiper Belt, failed to meet the criteria. The decision sparked outrage and debate, with many arguing that Pluto still deserves its place among the planets. But Pluto's demotion also raised larger questions. What defines a planet? Should moons like Titan or Europa, which harbor fascinating environments, also be reconsidered? Pluto's fall from planetary grace may have been a loss, but it also sparked an ongoing scientific debate that continues today. Despite being a frozen wasteland, Pluto's surface is full of surprises. The New Horizons spacecraft, which flew past Pluto in 2015, revealed towering ice mountains made of water, vast plains of frozen nitrogen, and even potential cryovolcanoes, volcanoes that erupt ice instead of lava. Even stranger, Pluto's atmosphere isn't constant. It expands when it gets closer to the sun and collapses as it moves further away, like a living, breathing entity. Pluto's thin, hazy atmosphere is primarily composed of nitrogen, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. Surprisingly, it has a faint bluish hue, reminiscent of Earth's sky. The presence of complex hydrocarbons formed by sunlight breaking down methane might hint at chemistry we don't fully understand yet. The surface itself is unlike anything seen before. Some regions appear incredibly smooth, indicating active geological processes, while others are pockmarked with craters that tell a tale of violent cosmic collisions. In the grand scheme of the solar system, Pluto stands as a bizarre hybrid, both ancient and constantly evolving, a contradiction that has left scientists eager to return and study it further. One of Pluto's biggest secrets might be buried deep beneath its surface. Scientists believe there could be a vast subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust. If true, this raises an incredible possibility. Could Pluto harbor microbial life in its hidden waters, protected from the harsh vacuum of space? Some models suggest that this underground ocean, if it exists, could be kept liquid by the decay of radioactive elements within Pluto's core, providing just enough heat. If life were to exist there, it would likely be extreme microorganisms similar to those found in Earth's deep-sea hydrothermal vents. New evidence suggests that Pluto's ocean may have been liquid for billions of years, meaning life could have had enough time to develop and evolve in ways we can't yet imagine. Could there be alien ecosystems lurking beneath the ice, completely untouched by sunlight? The idea, once considered far-fetched, is now gaining serious scientific traction. Perhaps the most iconic feature of Pluto is its massive heart-shaped region, known as Tombaugh Regio. This smooth, icy plain is a mystery on its own. Scientists believe that it's relatively young, geologically speaking, and constantly reshaping due to internal processes. Could Pluto still be active deep within? Tombaugh Regio is divided into two lobes. The left lobe, Sputnik Planitia, is a vast nitrogen ice basin that may have been formed by an ancient impact. This region appears to be in constant motion, with convection currents slowly reshaping its surface. The right lobe, meanwhile, is made up of rugged, mountainous terrain that hints at Pluto's dynamic geological past. Strangely, Sputnik Planitia is also home to bizarre polygonal patterns that suggest Pluto has a unique form of internal heat circulation. This could be evidence that Pluto, though frozen on the surface, is still geologically alive deep below. The presence of these shifting plains challenges everything we thought we knew about icy worlds. Pluto doesn't travel alone. It has a collection of moons, the largest being Charon. In many ways, Pluto and Charon behave like a double planet system, with Charon being so massive in comparison that the two bodies orbit a common center of gravity outside Pluto itself. Charon's surface is marked by giant canyons, possibly formed by past geological activity. Unlike Pluto, which has a complex atmosphere, Charon is airless and barren. However, evidence suggests that its surface has been reshaped over time, hinting at ancient cryovolcanic activity. Pluto also has 4 smaller moons, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra, all of which are oddly shaped and chaotic in their rotation. Interestingly, some scientists believe that Pluto and its moons might have formed from a massive collision, similar to how Earth's moon was born. If true, Pluto's past could be far more dramatic than we ever imagined. Despite being kicked out of the planetary club, Pluto continues to amaze us. With future missions planned to explore the outer solar system, who knows what secrets this tiny world still holds? Maybe, just maybe, Pluto will reclaim its status as a planet someday. Until then, it remains one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in our cosmic neighborhood. NASA and other space agencies have proposed new missions to Pluto, including orbiters and potential landers. Scientists hope to study its subsurface ocean, measure its atmosphere over time, and investigate the possibility of sending a probe beneath its icy shell. The more we learn about Pluto, the more it defies our expectations. Could Pluto become a stepping stone for deep space exploration? With advancements in technology, we may one day establish outposts on dwarf planets like Pluto, using them as waypoints for further journeys into the Kuiper Belt and beyond. So, is Pluto really just a cold, dead rock at the edge of the solar system? Or is it something more? A world filled with mysteries waiting to be uncovered. One thing is certain, the story of Pluto is far from over. As technology advances and new missions take shape, we may yet discover that Pluto is not just a lost planet, but a key to understanding the hidden frontiers of our solar system. Pluto's tale is a reminder that the cosmos is full of surprises, and sometimes the most overlooked worlds are the ones that hold the most profound secrets. Whether or not it regains planetary status, Pluto's place in the universe is undeniable. The only question left is, what will we discover next?